Hi everyone, I'm Chloe from SSW. Today I'd like to introduce you to the reports in EasyLeave. Let's get started. So if you are not familiar with it, EasyLeave is a new interface in SSW TimePro that makes leave requests easier and more convenient. In the past, if you needed to take leave, you had to write an email and manually update your timesheet. But now with EasyLeave, everything is streamlined and effortless. So to better track the usability of EasyLeave, we've created two reports, Leave Summary and Leave Report. Both of them can be found in the report section. Now, let me show you what Leave Summary looks like first. Here we are on the Leave Summary page. We can search for leave requests within any time period. For example, let's search for employees who took leave in February. Click on Search. And now we have the data. Here you can see who has taken leave in February and who has cancelled their leave request, the reasons for their leave. We can also export this information to Excel. Simply click this button and the data is downloaded. Let's open the file. And then you will find all the query data listed, making it easy for you to analyze or modify as needed. Now let's go to the leave report page. We built this report to give us insights into how users have been engaging with EasyLeave. For example, we can see here in the past 30 days, about 12% of users have used EasyLeave. We can also track individual usage, such as Matt, who has made 6 leave requests in the past 30 days, along with the last time he used EasyLeave. With this report, you can easily monitor how frequently users are using EasyLeave. Also, you can change the date range here to view more historical data, just like that. So with these two reporting pages, tracking the usability of EasyLeave has never been easier. I hope you like this video. This is Chloe from SSW. Thanks for watching.